how to allow or deny apps that can always use data permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so click on three dot icon and you will see second option is special access. So click on special access. So after click on special access, scroll down, you will see apps that can always use data is here. So click on app that can always use data. So if you want to allow or deny, so if you want to allow apps, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see apps is allow. So if you want to deny, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see apps is deny. So you will allow or deny apps from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can allow or deny apps that can always use data permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.